Hello everybody, here is a video of my Harbor Breeze Palm Breeze ceiling fan. As you may know, we actually rescued this fan. I rescued it last month in May, and it was sitting on the driveway, and they actually took it down and replaced it with the chandelier in the house. So there's a house right down the road. That you probably just saw my video of the fan on the driveway, and as you may know, like when I saw it, the blade was like really bent, the one over there, right there, and this one did have some water in it, because when I took all the blades off to clean most of it, when I turned it, it was kind of like this, and then like when I turn it like this, water came like out of the motor housing, and like there was a lot of water that came out of it. So I tried to clean it up as best I could, make sure I got most of the water out and stuff, and just I had to take most of the whole thing apart, because I took the motor housing apart, I took the switch cup apart, the plate for it, and the switch housing, I didn't take that thing apart with it, like where there was a nut inside. I took all the wires out, but I took the switch cup plate off and the light kit off, and the light kit is right down there. I might unscrew the finial and make sure, yeah, there was a little bit of water around most, but I got it out and stuff. And also, Fans Houses and etc. has a couple of these fans in this house in white, and I'm glad I rescued this fan and stuff. So, like, I saw it on Tuesday and stuff, so I took a video of it and stuff, and we rescued it on Thursday because we sent it a note in and stuff, and then we rescued it. And I think eventually they're probably gonna take the rest of them down at some point, but I'm not sure when, because probably maybe other people might want them. I'm not sure, but I'm not gonna make any guarantees or anything. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and get a close up at it. And one of the blade arms was bent, which I believe it's one of the straight blades, but I tried to bend it back as best I could, like this and stuff. One of the blades was kind of like bent like that, but I fixed it as best I could. But this one did not came with the cotter part and stuff, but the down, and it did not come with any bracket or anything. So, but the down arm was fine, and I had the cotter pin in there and stuff. So, it also has really cool leaf blade arms. This blade looks like it's straight, except the blade arm is just a little bent down. This one's straight. The blade arm is, or not the blade arm. The blade is really bent, which my dad told me to just try to put something in heavy, and it still didn't work. I may have to just, so probably when I'm at camp, or while I'm at camp, or when I'm at camp and stuff, or before I go to camp, I'll try to put this on the floor, and I'll leave it out there for most of the week, and I'll see how when I come back. And this one's bent too as well. This blade's a little bent. Don't want to break it because I need to demonstrate it. And the wires are pretty long too. And it did came with glass, which is in that Amazon box over there. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn this fan on low. Also, finally found a Casablanca W85 IntelliTouch on eBay, which I'm gonna get that on Monday, but I'm probably gonna be at camp. Cause I have 3 IntelliTouch fans, which is the brass Panama, that Snow White Panama, and that stone Panama. Those are IntelliTouch fans, so I'm gonna finally test those fans and finally make videos of them. But I'm gonna wait until I come back, because the IntelliTouch is not gonna be here until Monday. So I'm gonna finally get those panels tested and videoed. Yeah. Which the brass Panama up there, I got the Chantilly Habitat back in October 2017. I had a light on it and stuff, which the light kit is actually on the Delta 2 right now, in the brass. And the Snow White one and the stone one I got at Fanimation just recently in March. First medium. Which, at camp, I'll be using my blue camera, because I can't take my iPad into camp. But, I mean, I could bring it, but I'm probably gonna keep it in the car. But I'm probably not gonna bring it on the way there. I'll probably, my dad will probably bring it on the way back and stuff. And I'll probably like pick it up and bring it all the way here, and then we'll drive all the way back home. We may stop somewhere, like at the Annapolis lighting store in Annapolis, Maryland. Not the one in Rockville, Maryland, but there's an Annapolis lighting store down in Annapolis, Maryland. Which is kind of a little bit after the Chesapeake Bay Bridge. But we don't, well, not going to count on it, but hopefully we can go. So we'll love to stop them and see what fans they have. High speed. This one's really wobbly. And it's also the reason why the way it's warped is because of probably all the rain and stuff, and the reason why I had that had water in the motor housing because of all the rain it had. Because I don't know how long it's been. Probably over the Memorial Day weekend. Pretty amazing fan. Turn it off. It's a nice day. Just so you can see some of the wood is, some of the finish is peeling off right there, kind of a little scratched. Oh, this one has a little paint on it, or whatever it is. Anyway, thanks for watching, everybody. Next video will be with the light kit. Alright, hello everybody. Here's the Breeze Palm Breeze with the light kit. The light kit actually works on this fan. Just test the light and it works. Yeah. And this fan, and the glass actually looks like it has like leaves and maybe some grapes on here. Look at the design of it. As you can see. Long wires. And once again, I did we rescued this fan a couple weeks ago, near the end of May. I'll start with the light kit. There's low. Medium. There's Hive. Go ahead, reverse. Medium. And this thing wobbles. Just look how wobbly it is. Just look how wobbly this thing is. This thing's like really wobbly. Turn this one off. Doesn't really wobble so much going counterclockwise. So look, man, I didn't expect it will be that wobbly. Well, anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoy. And please rate, comment, rate, subscribe, and thanks for watching. Bye.